supposed to be prime bear territory, and I'm walking hesitantly right now because I'm wondering if I should keep going on my own. But I'm just gonna keep going on my own and make a little bit more noise so that I alert the animals of my presence. Just yell out, "Hey bear," every few minutes or so. Let them know that you're around. They don't want to see you. They don't want to come in contact with you. They're just as, like, black bears are known to be really skittish. And yeah, so it can definitely be nerve-wracking to a degree to know that you're somewhere where there are a lot of bear around, but you kind of just got to put it out your mind, otherwise it's going to stop you from experiencing what you can see out here. So I'm a little bit nervous, especially because I'm by myself and it's a little bit later in the day and I don't see anybody else on the hike. But I want to see some moose. And they say that Fish Cap Lake is really popular for that. And it's only about half a mile in